Have you been looking to downsize into a smaller home at the Surf Leisure Resort? Well, you will enjoy the benefits of this location without the huge costs, or you may be just even considering a holiday home. Well, this could be the property for you to check out. I love the Surf Leisure Resort because it provides an easy and carefree lifestyle. You don't have to pay a lot of the normal costs of having a home, as the resort looks after the maintenance of the outdoor garden and lawns, and you don't pay any stamp duty on your purchase, and you don't even have council rates with these properties. The location is perfect because you're just footsteps from Meadow Beach and the cycleway, and there is absolutely no reason why you can't stay fit by living in this area. You can even have access to the resort's facilities because you've got a swimming pool which is undercover, you've got tennis courts, and there's even 2 half-court basketball areas for you, or the grandchildren or anybody else that wants to visit you. This lovely, freshly painted property with new flooring and plantation shutters in is absolutely fantastic to come and have a look at. You've even got a shed and a carport too. It is perfect for the single person or couple. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and I would love to show you through 237 at 201 Pioneer Road, Meadow. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.